Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is SP Singh Shakya and I'm going to discuss today's topic persistence. So I'm just going to discuss one piece of one topic which is related to persistence, how to develop persistent. So first of all, I would like to tell you this topic is really exciting and excellent topic in order to get good help in order to move and get a progress in your current situation. So first of all, I would like to tell you Think and Grow Rich is the world's first success book which is made on money consciousness. So you must read this book as much as you can because it has been made after 20 years of hard work of Napoleon Hill, who was associated with Dale Carnegie's club, and he interviewed almost 500 people of that time who were most successful at that point of time. So you should buy this book and read this book. If you are not able to buy, no problem. I am going to discuss few topics, few chapters which will help you in order to build your persistence level. So there are few things which will help you in order to build your persistence. So one of them is definiteness of purpose. First of all, you need to decide exactly what you want. You need to be definite. You need to be definite in terms of your goals, in terms of your futuristic plans. If you have definiteness in your purpose, then definitely you will become persistent and you'll be unstoppable and you'll achieve that particular dream. So this is the first quality which will help you in order to become a persistent and unstoppable. And the second thing I would like to discuss is desire. So first of all, you need to have a desire in order to become persistent. And there are also two categories of desire. One is wish, second is will. So what is the difference between both? Wish is the normal wish. You are just thinking only that you should have that much money till that point of time, or you want that much car, or whatever is your goal. You are just wishing only. You don't have that burning desire inside. So you don't have that will. You are not willing. You are just wishing. So if you don't have burning desire, then you won't be able to become consistent or persistent in your daily hard work. So you need to have a burning desire in order to become a persistent. And the third one I would like to discuss is self-reliance. Most of the times what happens whenever we are going to chase any particular dream. For example, if your current dream is to improve your English, so you just got motivated and you started reading book 3-4 days consistently. You put so much efforts and all of a sudden you thought that I won't be able to achieve. And so what will happen? You don't have belief on yourself. You don't have self-reliance. So you will give up. So you need to have a self-reliance quality. Once you have this, you will become persistent. So the fourth quality I would like to discuss is definiteness of plans. So you need to have plans which are definite organized plans. Even though they may be weak and entirely impractical, they will also encourage persistence. So you should have definite plans. You need to make planning before going into any particular situation in order to overcome that fear or in order to get closer to that particular dream. So this is the fourth quality. And the next one is the fifth one, accurate knowledge. So this is also very critical, because if you don't have accurate knowledge, then how will you achieve your dream? For example, you want to become an author and you don't know how to become an author, how to write books. So you need to collect all those knowledges or all those informations what are required in order to get you closer to that particular dream. So you need to have accurate knowledge, knowing that one's plan are sound based upon experience or observation. They also encourage persistence. If you are guessing only rather than knowing, destroys persistence. So you need to have accurate knowledge. The next quality comes in cooperation. It is also very much critical in order to move in your career field, because if you don't cooperate with others, then who will encourage you? They will always pull you down. So you need to have this quality, cooperate with others, have a sympathy, understanding and harmonious cooperation with others. That will help you in order to develop the quality of persistence. And the next one I would like to discuss is willpower. You need to have a strong willpower in order to become persistent, in order to get your dreams faster. If you don't have a strong willpower, you won't be able to get it. For example, if you are trying to study at least 1 hour or 2 hours, and all of a sudden there comes a notification on your cell phone, you are distracted completely. You started watching video or something like that, so you just driven away from your main target and you started doing something else. So you don't have a strong willpower. You cannot avoid those temptations, and ultimately you are becoming kind of procrastinator. So this is what is stopping you somewhere in order to achieve your dreams. You should have a strong willpower in order to overcome that particular procrastination and become a persistent. So the last one is very critical, and it's not the least. The last one is the habit. You need to build up strong habits in order to become a persistent. For example, if you want to run at least 1 hour daily, if you want to exercise daily, so you need to build up a habit. And as per the scientific research, if you are doing any particular thing, if you are following consistently up to 21 days, it gives you little bit idea that may convert automatically your habit. So try to follow at least 21 days. It will help you in order to build that strong habit. But a strong habit gets built after 66 days. So as per the scientific research. So these were these qualities which you need to work upon it. If you develop these qualities, then definitely I'm sure you will be persistent and you will achieve whatever goals you want. So I would like to summarize these qualities. Definiteness of purpose is the first one. Second is the desire. Third one is the self-reliance. Fourth one is the definiteness of plans. And the fifth is accurate knowledge. Then sixth is cooperation. Then seventh is willpower. And eighth is habit. So these are the 8 qualities which you need to build up and which you need to work upon it. And once you have all these qualities, I believe you will achieve whatever you want. So in today's lesson, this was from my end. And if you have any feedback, please come back to me and give me a feedback in order to help you more. If you want to achieve something else, if something is stopping you, please do come back to me and let us know. So for now, thank you, take care, bye bye.